Now that the spring is out, we can take the shock out, because if you left the spring in and you would take the shock out, the spring would just shoot out. So now that the spring's out, we can take the shock out and everything else. That's one bolt. Okay. And the second bolt. The shock isn't out yet. We still have another bolt right here that's connected to all these pieces. So we have to take that bolt out now. Now we're taking off the exhaust. Now we're going to take out the two rubber mounts. It's one of the bolts. Crack this one loose.
Let me help you out. Okay, go ahead. Go do the other side. Go ahead. Go do the other side.
Put it in my pocket. Crack this one loose.
All right, grab the exhaust. Here we go.
There we go.
All right, put it down.
There you go. Now we're taking out the dry shaft. We're going to lightly clamp the brake hose. Now we're taking out the control arms. That's the second bolt. This is a bracket that goes from the mount to the body. Switch sockets. While we unbolt the subframe. We're gonna unbolt the subframe now, but we have to remember that there's wires that's clipped onto the top of the subframe. So we're gonna lower the subframe a little bit after we unbolt it. And we're gonna take the clip up because you can't get to it until the subframe is lowered. So let's get busy. There's another one. The other ones are 15/16. Now, I have to get that socket. Last one. Go. Okay.
Here we go. Okay, Giuseppe,
Okay, that's all.
move the hose. Let's pull it back. Here, bring that here.
Take this off. It's a very
Okay, here. Okay, let's pull it. Let's pull it back. Pull that way. All right. Okay. Tell them. There it is.
There it is.
Smile.
And there you go. It's out. Now we're going to put all the new parts on and it's back on the road.